Tiny worlds, big fun. Have you ever wanted to create your own little world? A place full of color, creativity, and endless possibilities? Well, guess what? You can. Crafting miniature worlds is a fun and easy way to let your imagination run wild. All you need are a few simple materials and a dash of creativity. You can use things you find around your house to build amazing tiny worlds. Empty cereal boxes can become towering skyscrapers. Bottle caps transform into colorful little houses. With a little imagination, anything is possible. So gather your supplies and let's get started on a crafting adventure. Building a city in a shoebox. Let's start by building a miniature city right in a shoebox. First, find an empty shoebox and give it a nice coat of paint. You can choose any color you like, bright blue for a sunny day, or maybe a dusky purple for a magical city at twilight. Once the paint dries, it's time to add buildings. Use empty cereal boxes, cardboard tubes, or even small blocks to create different shapes and sizes. Glue them onto the bottom of the shoebox, arranging them however you like. Now for the fun part, decorating. Use markers, crayons, colored paper, or even bits of fabric to add windows, doors, and other details to your buildings. Don't forget the streets. Cut thin strips of paper or use black markers to draw roads connecting your buildings. You can even add tiny cars, buses, and people made from clay or construction paper. Your city is coming to life. Glowing creations, adding magic to mini worlds. Want to add a touch of magic to your miniature world? Let's make it glow. Glow-in-the-dark paint is perfect for creating an enchanting nighttime scene. You can find it at most craft stores. Use the paint to add glowing windows to your buildings, twinkling stars to the sky, or even create mystical creatures that light up in the dark. To make your creations shine extra bright, charge them up by holding them near a light for a few minutes. Then, turn off the lights and be amazed as your miniature world comes alive with a magical glow. Stickers are a fun and easy way to add personality and detail to your miniature worlds. But here's a secret: you can design your own custom stickers. All you need are some adhesive labels, which you can find at office supply stores, and your imagination. Use markers, crayons, or even colored pencils to draw your designs directly onto the labels. You can create anything you can imagine. Tiny flowers for your city park, funny faces for your miniature people, or even miniature street signs. Once you're happy with your designs, carefully cut them out and peel off the backing. Now you have your very own custom stickers to decorate your miniature world. Did you know that you can be kind to the planet while being crafty? It's true. Instead of throwing away things like toilet paper rolls, egg cartons, and plastic bottles, why not turn them into art supplies? Toilet paper rolls become sturdy tree trunks for a miniature forest. Egg cartons transform into colorful flower petals. And with a little paint and imagination, those plastic bottles can become anything from sparkling jewels to futuristic spaceships. So next time you're about to toss something in the recycling bin, think twice. Maybe it's destined to become a star in your next miniature masterpiece. Creating miniature worlds is more than just a fun way to spend an afternoon. It's a chance to let your imagination soar, to build something amazing with your own two hands, and to learn about reusing and recycling along the way. So gather your materials, grab your glue, and let's get crafting. Remember, there are no mistakes in crafting, only opportunities for creativity to blossom. Who knows what amazing miniature worlds you'll create?